Hi guys, welcome to my video. Please subscribe to my channel. This is going to be for an install for a tuning box on a BMW 520. So obviously we need to remove the engine cover, which on these is nice and easy. You just literally lift it up and pull it forward to remove the cover. Then this is your area, so you need to remove this plastic clip. So we're going to do that. You probably won't be able to pull it off. So yeah, I use a screwdriver and literally just got it in at an angle and just levered it back. That come off and you heard it click. So that's that removed. Let's just pull it out completely. And that's going to go into there. And then this one with a rounded edge, the same as the one we've just pulled out, is going to go in there. As I say, you can't get them wrong because they can only go one way. So, and then this one, obviously difficult to do one-handed, so I'm going to plug that in and then come back to you. Those two plugged in. So there you go, engine cover back in place. It just push fits in. You can just see my cable coming down there, and I've trailed it underneath this plastic and cable tied it to it. And then you've got the box down by the side there.